Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I will talk about speaking English. Why are we not able to speak English fluently? Because we don't practice more and more. So guys, the more we will practice, the more we will be confident in this language. This is a language. My mother tongue is Bengali. When I speak in Bengali, then I don't overthink. Automatically the sentences come out of my mouth. I don't know grammar rules of Bengali, how to make sentences, even words, but everything comes out of my mouth while speaking. How is this possible? Because I learned by practicing. The same way we have to practice speaking English by practicing. So it depends on practicing how much we practice. This is the right way. It does not matter if we make mistakes, because by making mistakes we will avoid mistakes by making mistakes, because if we make mistakes, so we will learn from there. Then what should we try next time? We should try to correct them next time, that we don't make mistakes. So guys, just we need to learn basic grammar rules to speak English fluently, and with basic grammar rules we can start speaking English. And if we make mistakes while speaking, it doesn't matter, because if we make mistakes, it's okay. This is the process to do anything. Because if you see example, when we were childhood, we did not know how to walk, but we tried a lot and we failed several times, but finally we learned how to walk. The same way we need to suffer this struggle to learn this language. This is a language. We should not learn more and more. Just we need to start speaking, and while speaking we will struggle a lot. Why? We will mistake sentences, words, and to sound right pronunciation. All these things happen in the starting time. It doesn't matter. Just we should keep practicing. So if we practice regularly, so definitely we will develop this language like we developed our mother tongue. We did not learn how to speak Bengali, just we started speaking. By speaking we learned how to speak. Now we are speaking our mother tongue fluently. We don't face any problems. Why? Because since our childhood we have been practicing. That's why we don't need to memorize Bengali structures and words, but we are able to speak English fluently in Bengali. So the same way we have to practice English regularly. If we practice regularly, so then we will develop this language. So guys, this is the right way. So follow this way and become a fluent speaker. So thanks for watching. See you again in the next videos.